Communication is the backbone of any successful business. And if your customer feel ignored or left waiting, it does not matter how great your product or service is. You are losing opportunities. That's why tools like GoHighLevel are game changer. Today we are going to explore how GoHighLevel help you to improve customer communication, to save time and build the stronger relationships with your clients, and all without adding stress to your daily workflow. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify tools for your business and help you to grow smarter and faster. If you enjoy this kind of content, then hit the subscribe button and check the description below for the link and free trial to test GoHighLevel yourself. And if you use the link from the description, you will be able to use the free trial up to 30 days instead of the official 14 days. So check the link in the description and grab the offer. So how exactly does GoHighLevel improve the customer communication? Now let's start with automation. One of the most frustrating things for business is following up with leads and clients consistently. People forget, staff gets busy, and important messages that slip through the crack. GoHighLevel solves this problem by automating your communication. You can set up email sequence, SMS reminders, and even voice call, all triggered automatically based on your client behavior. For example, when a new client sign up, GoHighLevel can automatically send a welcome message, a follow-up few days later with the help of information, and even schedule the reminders for appointments or the deadline. And the result, clients feel cared for and engaged without you manually sending dozens of messages every day. Another key feature is the personalization. GoHighLevel lets you customize messages with name, dates, or even a specific service your client is interested in. This makes everything message feel personal and professional, which builds trust and strengthens with the client. So people are much more likely to respond and stay loyal with communication which feel intentional. The platform also centralizes all of your communication in one place. The email, SMS, calls, and even chat conversation are stored in a single dashboard. This means no more switching between apps, the losing threads, or forgetting what was said. You can see your entire client history at a glance and respond faster, which improves the frustration and saves time. And finally, GoHighLevel provides insight and analytics. You can see which messages are being opened, which links are clicked, and how clients interact with your campaign. This data helps you to fine-tune your communication strategy, ensuring every message counts and maximizing your engagement. So in short, GoHighLevel improves the customer communication by the automating follow-ups, personalizing messages, centralizing all interactions, and providing actionable insights. It's like having a virtual assistant that never forgets, never sleeps, and always keeps your client happy. If you want to experience it yourself, check the link in the description for the free trial and see how GoHighLevel can transform your client communication. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and share this video, and also subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more tools and strategy to grow your business smarter. And till then, stay healthy. I will see you in the next video.